How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you. It is understandable to feel hurt or angry if someone leaves you, especially if that person is a narcissist. However, trying to make a narcissist regret leaving you might not be the healthiest approach for your own well-being. But the reason for this is because narcissists lack empathy and they are master manipulators. They will hurt you. They take advantage of you. They use you. They discard you. They focus on their own needs. They don't care about you. Now, but if you need to teach these people a lesson, maybe by making them miss you and regret leaving you, then focus on your own healing and growth. And I'm going to give you more suggestions on how you can make this narcissist miss you and regret leaving you in this video. Number one, focus on self-care. Shift your focus from the narcissist to yourself if you want to make them miss you and regret leaving you. Invest time and energy into activities that make you feel good, whether it is exercise, hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or practicing mindfulness. Prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. Number two way of making a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you is to set boundaries. If the narcissist tries to contact you or manipulate you into feeling guilty, then set clear boundaries. Limit or cut off contact if necessary with the narcissist to protect yourself from further emotional harm. Remember that your needs and boundaries are important. You can also seek support. Surround yourself with supportive friends, supportive family members, or a therapist who can offer validation and understanding. Talking to someone who listens without judgment can help you process your emotions and gain perspective. Another way to make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you is to work on your self-esteem. Narcissists often prey on individuals with low self-esteem. So take this opportunity to build yourself up and recognize your own worth. Practice self-affirmations, challenge negative thoughts, and celebrate your strengths and accomplishments. Again, to make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, focus on personal growth. Use this experience as an opportunity for personal growth and self-discovery. Reflect on what you've learned from the relationship and how you can grow from it. Set goals for yourself and pursue them with determination and resilience. So limit contact, reduce communication with the narcissist. That way you make them miss you and regret leaving you. Be busy. Fill your schedule with activities and interests. Be independent. Show the narcissist that you can thrive without them. Stay confident. Maintain your self-esteem and self-worth. Focus on yourself. Invest time in self-improvement and self-care. Clearly communicate your limits and stick to them. Don't react emotionally when the narcissist tries to provoke you. Stay composed, stay cool, calm, collected, and rational in interactions with the narcissist. To make the narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, be unpredictable. Avoid falling into predictable patterns of behavior. Again, live well. Lead a fulfilling life that the narcissist can see from a distance. Cultivate your social circle. Spend time with friends and family members. Pursue your passions. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. To make the narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, be mysterious. Maintain an aura of intrigue and unpredictability. Maintain your distance. Keep physical and emotional distance from the narcissist. Don't engage in drama. Refuse to participate in their games or manipulation. Ignore their provocations. Don't give them the reaction they seek. Don't seek validation from them. Rely on your own judgment and validation. To make the narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, be positive. Maintain a positive attitude and outlook of life. Don't let the narcissist see you upset. Keep your emotions in check around them. Be assertive. Stand up for yourself and assert your needs. Don't idealize them. See them realistically. See them with their flaws and everything else. Don't try to change the narcissist. Accept them for who they are or distance yourself. Don't make them the center of your world. Have a balanced life outside of them. Be honest. Communicate openly and honestly, but without hostility. Be empathetic. Show understanding, but don't enable their behavior. Focus on mutual interests. That is, connect on topics that are not self-centered. Don't feed the narcissist ego. Avoid praising or flattering them excessively. Stay neutral. Don't take sides in their conflicts or dramas. Be firm. Stick to your decisions and convictions. Don't make excuses for them. Hold them accountable for their actions. Don't tolerate disrespect. Call out any disrespectful behavior. Don't give the narcissist ammunition. Keep personal information private. Avoid comparisons. Refrain from comparing them to others. Be consistent. Maintain consistency in your behavior and expectations. Keep interactions brief. Limit the time you spend with the narcissist. Be resilient. Bounce back quickly from any setbacks or disappointments. Be forgiving. Let go of grudges for your own peace of mind. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with supportive people. Be patient. Change won't happen overnight, if it will happen at all. Don't try to one-up them. Avoid competing for attention or superiority. Be empathetic to the narcissist's vulnerabilities. Understand they may be insecure underneath their narcissism. Set realistic expectations. Don't expect them to change fundamentally. Don't get drawn into power struggles. Maintain your own sense of power and agency. Be genuine. Stay true to yourself and your values. Don't seek revenge. Focus on your own growth and happiness. Practice mindfulness. Stay grounded and present in the moment. Don't give ultimatums unless you are prepared to follow through. Avoid playing mind games. Keep interactions straightforward. Be a good listener. Show genuine interest in what they have to say. Offer constructive feedback. Provide feedback in a respectful and non-confrontational manner. Know when to walk away when dealing with a narcissist. Sometimes the healthiest option is to disengage completely. So, to make this narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, set those boundaries and clearly communicate what behaviors are unacceptable to you. Reduce interactions to protect your well-being. Avoid escalating conflicts. Narcissists thrive on drama. Stick to concrete evidence rather than engaging in emotional arguments. Stand firm without being aggressive. Talk to friends, family, or therapists for guidance and validation. Keep a record of conversations and incidents for reference. Avoid trying to change the narcissist. Remember, narcissism is a personality trait that is difficult to alter. Prioritize your own mental health and emotional well-being. Don't take it personally. Recognize that their behavior stems from their own insecurities and issues. Accept that they may not change and manage your expectations accordingly. Stay assertive in negotiations. Narcissists may try to manipulate situations to their advantage. Enforce boundaries consistently to avoid confusion. Be consistent. Avoid power struggles. Focus on your own goals and priorities. Practice detachment. Emotionally detach yourself from the narcissist's manipulative tactics and focus on solutions. Redirect conversations towards finding solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Take breaks when needed. Step away from interactions if they become overwhelming. Refuse to participate in behaviors that enable their narcissism. Offer praise selectively. Demonstrate respectful and empathetic behavior in your interactions. Be aware of manipulative tactics and protect yourself accordingly. Avoid retaliations when dealing with the narcissist. Encourage self-reflection. Encourage professional help. Suggest therapy or counseling if they are open to it. And then be open. Be patient. Change if it happens. It might take time. Hold the narcissist accountable for their actions and their consequences. Thank you for watching this video. And always remember that you should focus on positive interactions with the narcissist. You practice self-compassion. Consider your safety. Set consequences when dealing with a narcissist. And stay resilient. Encourage self-awareness. Don't engage in power struggles. maintain your integrity, and focus on solutions. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Thank you. Share this video widely also to all those who may need it.